Yak Backpack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Backpack. Look at the fish. Oh, what a silly fish we have on Yak Backpack today. Okay, he found some bubbles. What's inside this bubble? He found a lion. A lion. The fish found a lion. What is a lion? This is a lion, Mr. Fish. A lion. Okay, choose the next ball, Mr. Fish. What's inside this ball? It's a lamb. A lamb. It's a lamb. That's a lamb. We found a lamb. Lamb. Let's open this ball. It's a popsicle. Oh, the fish likes popsicles. He likes to lick popsicles. Look at the fish lick the popsicle. Look at the fish licking the popsicle. Lick. Okay, let's open and see what we can find. Open. We found some lips. Oh, fish, you look silly in the lips. You look silly with those lips on. I like the way your lips look, Mr. Fish. Lips. I like your lips. They're so pretty. Last ball, let's open it. It's a lemon. It's a lemon. Oh, the lemon is sour. It makes the fish pucker. The lemon is so sour. Lemon. What a sour lemon. Oh, it's so sour. That lemon is so sour. Lemon. We found a lemon, a lamb, some lips, a lion, a popsicle we could lick. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone.
Yak Backpack.